2 points. 4 points. 6 points. Grabe. 14 points. Oh my goodness. 16 points. 18 points. Oh my goodness. 20 points. Oh my God. School of this country.
Yan!
16 points.
Yan!
18 points.
Yon!
22 points.
Yan!
So guys, tapos na yung nationwide 3-point shootout at ang nag-champion siyempre si JS Coco. Tapos meron pa isang event, yung influencers 3-point shootout. So kasali si Discarte, tsaka si Mr. Longbam, kalaban natin. So kaya, tingnan natin sino mananalo.
Influencer contestant, ladies and gentlemen, shooting at this motivated 3-point shootout is Boss JB. Boss JB, you can check the back. 2 points. 4 points. 6 points for Boss. 6 points again for Boss JB. 8 points for Boss JB. 10 points for Boss JB. 10 points for Boss JB. 2, 1. Ito na. 2 points. Second round. 4 points for Mr. Lomba. 4 points, last rack for Mr. Lomba. 6 points. 8 points for Mr. Longbam. 2, 1. 2 points. 4 points. 6 points. 8 points. Oh my God. 10 points. 12 points. Grabe. 14 points. Oh my goodness. 16 points. 18 points. Oh my goodness. 20 points. Oh my God. School of this country.
Okay, si Nico eh.
You ready?
Okay, wait lang daw, wait lang daw.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
2 points. 4 points. 6 points. 8 points. 10 points. 12 points. 14 points.
Yan!
16 points.
Yan!
18 points.
Yon!
22 points.
Yan!
Pero hindi. Eman Vicente! 16 Alright, so congratulations. See you on the 18th of September para sa awarding Mall of Asia Arena.